What's up, guys? I am back with another YouTube video. It's been a long time since I made a YouTube video, but today we are playing Subway Surfers. So I'm playing right now. I'm gonna be sad this game, man. One time I went to 1,000 coins. Yo. Woo. He spotted me. Woo. I need to buy some more hopping boards. I got one more left. I'm dead jetpack. Get me. Let's go. I'm gonna get every single coin. I think I missed two of them. Oh, what is this confetti here for? Sorry for the internet. I'm my sister. Oh, I'm gonna die. Okay, come on, let's go, we got this. Okay. Goodbye, guys.